Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital books on Etsy. First, identify a profitable niche by researching popular digital product categories. Consider areas like planners, journals, or educational guides. Your expertise and passion are key here. Look for gaps in the market where your unique voice can shine, ensuring your offerings stand out among thousands of other sellers. Next, craft your digital book with care. Use design software like Canva or Adobe InDesign to create visually appealing content. Ensure your book has high-quality text and professional formatting, making it easy to read. Export your final product in a widely compatible format, such as a PDF, so customers can access it on various devices without issues. Setting up your Etsy shop is crucial. Optimize your shop sections and write compelling product titles and descriptions, incorporating relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Upload high-quality mockups that showcase your digital book beautifully. Price your items competitively, perhaps starting around $5 to $15, to attract initial buyers and gather valuable reviews. Finally, market your digital books effectively. Promote your Etsy listings across social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram using engaging visuals. Consider utilizing Etsy ads to boost visibility, allocating a small daily budget, perhaps $1 to $2. Engage with your audience, respond to inquiries promptly, and encourage positive reviews to build trust and grow your brand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.